beauties, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what's new at Halara in August. If you're new here and you would like a monthly update on what's new at Halara, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I also post fashion and beauty videos. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. I am actually starting off just in my robe because we're going to be trying all this stuff on. For size reference, I'm about 115 pounds and 5'2", and my size in Halara is extra small. The first item is a basic black tank top. It doesn't have any of the fancy cutouts in the back because I just wanted something basic. And this adorable skirt that is perfect for transitioning into fall. Let's try them on. Okay, so this top fits so nicely, fits nice and snug. And I love how it's just very basic in the back. It's literally just the perfect black top to put on and pair with just about anything. The skirt is super cozy. It's a lot looser than I had expected, so that'll be nice to not feel so confined in it. It does have shorts underneath, but there are no pockets on these. So freaking cute and cozy. It's so perfect for the transition to fall. For this haul, I did try to stick to mostly neutral since my last haul was very colorful. The next item I'm going to try on are these cozy gray shorts. So these shorts have a nice little soft tie up here. They do have this layering detail so they don't look like just regular shorts. So they're super cute and cozy. They're quite loose. So if you're wanting to work out in these, I might recommend wearing some spandex shorts underneath just so you don't flash anyone. But other than that, I feel like these are just perfect for lounging at home. Like so cute and feminine. Next, we're going to try out the same exact tank top that I have on now, but in a green color. I just really love how Halara's tank tops fit and how you don't have to wear a bra with it because it comes padded. So I wanted a few of their basics. They're literally just a tank top. Once again, this tank top fits so nice. It just feels so smooth and snatched. And I love how these aren't complicated in the back, just in case you're looking for something super simple to throw on. I feel like these are the perfect tank tops to style either when you're working out or when you're just on the daily. Like you can layer these with other clothes that are just like your street clothes, or you can wear this to the gym. And I love them. They're just so perfect. The material is so high quality and it just feels really good on. And another tank top basic. It is the other style tank top that I love. This one has spaghetti straps versus the thicker straps. I have a few of these, I think. But these are just so easy to put on. They're one of my favorites. So I got it in a brown, just a neutral. Once again, these are like the perfect little tank tops. They fit so nice. I feel like these tanks always fit so snatched and they just make you feel secure. Like if I were to work out in this, I wouldn't worry about slipping out. It just feels like it's one with me, but it doesn't feel too tight to where I'm like suffocated. And I feel like this colorway is perfect for the transition to fall because you can totally layer this with like a cardigan or a flannel in the fall time. The next tank top style is actually my most worn tank top style. It's the one that has this little twist in the back. And the reason I love this one specifically for summer is because it has basically no back, but you can't see your nipples or anything through it because it has the pads in it. And you just feel like you're wearing nothing, but it just feels so elegant. You can get a tan on your back if you're out and about. It's just the best. So I have this in white and black, and I just figured it was time to get a fun color. So this is the only colorful thing I think I got that's like not a neutral color, just because we had to have a little fun pop, let's be real. So let's try this one on. I don't know why, but it almost feels like this is a different fabric than the other ones that I have. I don't know if it's just really soft because it's brand new, but it feels so soft, yet so snatched. And the back, you guys, I will never get over this tank top. Like I will take every single color. It's perfect. It's literally just like the perfect tank top to dress up any outfit. Like I just love being able to show my back and feel so free while my front still looks like this. Like I'm not falling out. You would think that like the back would kind of like make it so the front is loose because there's not much to it, but me, oh my god, a breath trying to show you, but no, we're good. We're in here. Love. So I really loved the yellow shorts that I got in the last haul, so I got a blue version, and these are just so cute. I just wanted a little neutral color. I feel like the light blue is still considered neutral. So let's try it on. By the way, I don't think I've mentioned this yet. I know I usually style my hair for these videos, but I styled my bangs and then I let the rest of it air dry. So I'm sorry if I kind of look like a crazy lion or if I have bedhead look. Just an FYI. Okay, so these fit so nice. I love that they have pockets. I love how stretchy and soft they are, yet they're super tight and like snatch your waist. I do always try to wear my period panties when I'm doing this so that you can see the underwear lines, so that if you do have to wear thong, it will be apparent. And I feel like it's apparent we must wear thong with these. Am I wrong? Am I right? What do you think? But that's fine because these are super tight spandex shorts and they're one of the few things that aren't like layery with Halara, so that's to be expected. I feel like all tight spandex shorts you have to wear thongs with. Next, I got these super cute shorts with the stripe down the side. I just love how the style is, and it has some scrunching in the butt. So I'm sure these will make us look really good once they're on. So I don't know, I'm expecting these to be super small. They look really small. Oh girl, when I said that these are small, I was not joking. I think I sensed it. If you have a gym crush that you're trying to impress, I would heavily recommend, because these are just very small, tight, and flattering. However, they're quite small and tight, so maybe go up a size if you aren't looking for them to fit quite like this tight. My only concern is, yeah, I've got some thighs, you know? So they're not like long enough to squash all that in. So I feel like they would just be like, woo, you know? So that is something to consider with this style. But if you're super fit and you want to look like delicious, I'm sure you would look absolutely delicious in these. Wear a thong. This is super cute. It's just a basic skirt. I love it. I feel like it's just the perfect color for transitioning to fall. There's not much to it. It's just a nice little brown skirt. Okay, so she does have shorts underneath, but it's like connected, and I don't see pockets. It does sit down the side here, and this one does fit loose like the one that I tried on earlier. Very good for when you're trying to move and take cute pics, not feel too tight or strapped in. But it is form-fitting, so you'll still get that like tight look. Next, I have been in love with these shorts. I have them in like a teal color, and I just wanted them in white because they're the perfect workout shorts. I love the two different materials together, the like tight spandex and then this on top. I just feel like they're so flattering. I really love the high quality shoestring type of ties in the front. It just feels very like bougie and high quality. And I also love that they have the layered shorts underneath. So when you're running, maybe the spandex might go up, but this part won't. So you're always going to have that top thigh area covered. That's why I love them for working out, because if I was trying to jog at the park and the last pair that I had on, the ones where I'm trying to look flattering, those would definitely ride up and be uncomfortable. But these are just so comfortable and so flattering. Like I love, and I honestly am in love with this color combo. The purple and the white. It's good, it's very good. Next, I literally couldn't resist myself from getting a hoodie. This is a zip-up hoodie with a little, what is this called? Like it's like cinched at the bottom. Is that how we say this? It's cinched at the bottom. I just really wanted like a transitional sweatshirt, you know, starting to get into the fall stuff. I'm a little excited, but I am sad summer's coming to an end. I'm not ready for that, I'm not gonna lie. So cute. I love how this fits. It just fits very nicely. It falls nice, like, because it is like cinched under here. I really hope that's how you say this, because that's gonna sound embarrassing if this is not cinched. I almost want to Google it. But it's got this pocket right here, and then you've got the zipper that you can adjust. And I feel like the sleeves are the perfect length for me particularly. And I love how this neutral color will literally go with anything. And then of course, if it's raining, we've got the little hoodie. Next, I saw that Halara also has workout headbands. Now I have one that's similar to this. It's black, but it's not nearly as high quality, and I just feel the need for more because I'm always using it, and I definitely wanted to try out some of theirs. So these are two different styles. This first one has like a very slight like kind of gripper on the inside, but it's not necessarily rubber, and it's more of a stretchy workout material. Versus this one is a stretchy material, but it's not that like sleek workout material, and it has these sticky kind of rubbery grips on the inside. So let's try these on. Let's hope my bangs don't look funny with them. Okay, so I'm just wearing it like this for now, but I feel like how you normally wear it is closer to like your scalp line, like the front of your forehead with a ponytail. I don't want to mess up my hair right now. But I feel like it fits around my head very nicely, and I don't feel like it's going anywhere because of those rubber grips. This white one is actually a lot tighter. I don't know if it's a kid's one or if it's just like a smaller size or just a different type. It definitely fits my head. It definitely feels like it's not gonna fall off, and it doesn't feel too tight either. I just feel like it's a different material, but I love it. I feel like I'm definitely gonna use these like so often. And finally, the last item I have here today is this gorgeous linen dress. It's white, and it has this tie in the back, and it's just a short little layered linen material dress. So let's try it on. This is such a gorgeous dress. I absolutely love it. Since the material is linen, it will need to be steamed or ironed before you wear it. That's why it's a little wrinkly right now. But I just love the spaghetti straps, how dainty they are. I love the fit. And the back, how it ties into a cute little bow, but you've got a little bit of it missing. And I love the layering of the skirt. Like, this is just so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see every detail. This is the perfect summer dress. Thank you so much to Halara for working with me on today's video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.